Hi everyone, today I'll be discussing the anchor arts organizations in the Lexington, Kentucky area. When thinking of the arts organizations that I consider to be anchors, I thought of the Singletary Center for the Arts, including the UK Art Museum, the UK Opera, and the UK Wind Ensembles and concert bands. Another organization that I thought of was the Lexington Philharmonic. In the past few years, their approaches to drawing audiences have become very similar. In the past, with Singletary, they have their student-based events, which would be such events as the UK Wind Ensembles and the concert bands, and these were very campus-based marketing. They marketed through email, posters, and word of mouth. Lexington Philharmonic seems to have a larger approach, using flyers, marketing materials such as postcards, and radio ads. They've also been using PB&J concerts in the past few years, and that has brought in a younger audience, and that has been very successful. Recently, however, both organizations have started to bring in bigger named or famous artists and works to draw the audiences, and that has been working. This approach makes me question the programming that they are providing just slightly and allows me to question or to ask why this programming is needed. From what I can tell, though, it's because the community seems to be more interested in the bigger names or the famous pieces of work. This concerns me just simply due to the fact that doing things such as bringing in these bigger names takes away from the organization at its core. For example, with the UK concerts, they can typically be kind of scarce with the audience, but when they brought in a bigger name, such as Arturo Sandoval, then the place was packed. This is great for the organizations, and it just makes me question the costs that are associated, and if in the end it's better for the organizations for this to be this way. This also shows how society has changed, and in the fact that they may now be uninterested in some of these performances unless it is associated with a familiar name or a bigger piece of work.